All right, guys, I just want to talk about XRP here. Now, I've made videos in the past about why I think XRP is going to moon. It's going to absolutely moon. And a lot of people are sleeping on it, I think, because of this court case, because it has been taken off some exchanges and all that sort of stuff. But I believe that this is when XRP actually moons. And a lot of people are going to miss it because of all the FUD. So, what I want to show you here very quickly is uh, Link. Now I've showed this before, but I just want to remind people when you can see that Link had a choppy sort of action, and then you get this increase in volatility. Right, this increase in volatility is very, very important. And from that increase in volatility, this increase in volatility is flushing out the longs before it actually has its real move to the upside. And from there, then prices may never be seen again. Okay, so it's extremely important. And you can see Link here now. Um, Link is up here. It was up here at $35. The Link is probably going to $100. If you have patience on it, for example. And XRP is the same here. This price down here may never be seen again on XRP, and XRP is likely to build pressure here. It's up. It's up 18% today. Now you can see 17% there. I'll just flip it over there. XRP is building pressure here, and it's going to moon. And these prices will probably never be seen again. That's my view on it. I will be buying some XRP for the long term. I know quite a few people actually have bought some XRP in here and are hodling for the foreseeable future. When this court case gets done, XRP will probably start to skyrocket. So if you want some help trading this, guys, just take the 3-day free trial down below. We have a group of fantastic members. We also have tons and tons, like 4,000 courses. If you're interested in trading courses from professional traders, we also have our own educational section. We also have tons of buy and sell alerts every single day. We've even developed and built our own alerts, and they're fantastic also. So if you're interested in a really good group, guys, come on in, check us out. 3-day free trial down below. Have a great day and do not sleep on XRP.